The learning component of the model includes crafting classroom activities according to the best principles of promoting learning. The principles of learning are active involvement, patterns and connections, informal learning, direct experience, reflection, compelling situation, frequent feedback, and enjoyable setting. More information on this can be found in the Technology as Facilitator of Quality Education model. A middle school science class is learning about aviation. In this lesson, the students identify and discuss the parts of an airplane. Using a NASA website, the students learn to identify parts of an airplane, including the fuselage, wings, rudder, elevator, flaps, and ailerons. Later, the students look at a real airplane during a field trip to the airport. This gives the students the opportunity to find patterns and connections among concepts they have learned in the classroom.
This whole thing. Notice the shape of this one. This plane almost looks like the one we saw on the CD-ROMs, right? With the wing on top. But it's not, because Mr. Stamp will talk to you about it here in just a minute. These two inside pieces. Flaps. Who knows what we use them for sometimes? Sarah?
Landing and taking off.
Okay, you can use them on landing and taking off. What about these outside pieces?
Ailerons.
See where they break apart right here?
Yeah.
Okay. Kylie, what is it used for?
Turning.
Turning it. What do we call that, Jason?
Roll.
Rolling the plane. There you go. Good job. Okay. This whole piece that goes across the top.
Wing.
The students gain direct experience when they observe the flight of an airplane. They are learning in context as they practice applying their knowledge. The students again have the opportunity to establish patterns and connections when they use a flight simulator. The students apply what they learned in class on their field trip. They demonstrate critical thinking as they compare their knowledge of real airplanes with their experience in the simulator.
Now watch.
And then select aircraft, and it's on the Cessna Skylane. And then you go to select airport, and you select Eppley Airfield and hit OK. And then you select weather and make sure it's just nice weather, and then you hit OK. And then you select the time of day, make sure it's during the day so it's not dark, and hit OK. And then to get out you just hit alright, OK, and then you can start flying.